Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can literally get paid every single day just by using Google Maps. And I'll show you a proven method that I have used that has gained me a lot of money paid out by companies that are looking to grow their businesses and get ranked higher on Google and get more traffic to their website or to their business. So these are going to be local businesses that you're going to be targeting, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using Google Maps. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to go through some tips and tricks that are going to help you actually make money using Google Maps. So let's hop into my laptop now and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Alright, so we're in my laptop now and I'm going to show you how we're going to make money every single day using Google Maps. And this is a cool method that literally anyone can use. And basically the overview of what you're going to be doing is you're going to be helping businesses get higher ranked on Google in the Google Maps search. So when someone's looking up for a specific business, whether it's a coffee shop or a restaurant or a gym, which we're going to use in this example, then you can literally help them to get up higher in the Google search, and that's going to in turn give them a lot more business and help them grow their business to the next level. So basically that's how you're going to pitch it to the businesses when you eventually get to the end of this video, and I'm showing you how to actually contact the businesses. But let's get into it. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to go Seattle, Washington. Like you can say any city name, any state name, basically kind of anywhere that wherever you live, or it doesn't have to be wherever you live, it can be literally anywhere. So I live in Canada, but we're going to try this with Seattle, Washington. So Seattle, Washington, gym. And so basically what we're doing is this is all Google Maps. This is Google Maps pulling this up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click more places. And so this is the Google Maps aspect of this video, is where we're going to actually be finding which businesses that we're going to use. So as we can see here, there's actually nobody advertising. So if there was somebody advertising, let's try Seattle Gym. Okay, here we go. So when you type in just Seattle Gym, then we can see that Emerald City Athletics and Planet Fitness are both already advertising. So that's the only reason that these two are at the top. And then these people are ranking organically. The Seattle Gym is ranking organically to be this high up in the search. But what we want to focus on is people who are not on this first page, because if you're on the first page already, you're likely not going to have to advertise because you're probably already getting quite a bit of business. But it's the people on the second, third, fourth pages that likely aren't getting as much business from Google Maps customers, from people looking it up on Google Maps, and then people actually coming to the business, because they're going to most likely stick to businesses that are on the first page. So let's go to one here. Let's see. Seattle Strength and Performance. Okay, so this one is on the second page. It's got 23 reviews so far, but they're not ranking on the first page. So basically the problem we're going to solve for them is the fact that they're not on the first page. We're going to help them get to the first page, and that's where our business offer comes in. We're going to help them to run ads to gain business to their actual storefront and to their gym, to get them more members, and in turn this is going to make them a lot more money. So what I like to do first is I like to go to the website to always make sure that they're actually like a legit company. So I haven't actually done this yet, but it looks like a good website. Yeah, looks like a company that I would want to work with. So basically what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to Google, and we are going to see what we could offer them. So basically what we could offer them is the ability to be ranked on the first page of Google in terms of Google Maps. And then that's going to help them, for anyone looking up Seattle Gym, to get more visibility and then get more clients to their business. And that's what, obviously, as a gym membership company, you want to be able to get as many memberships as possible, because the more memberships, the more money you're going to make. So what we need to do next is we need to hop into Google AdWords. So if you don't already have one, you basically just go Google AdWords and you're going to create an account. Since I already have an account, it won't allow me to create one. And we're going to click on campaigns, and then we are going to click a new campaign and new campaign. And so basically what we are going to do is we are going to give them website traffic. Because when I searched Seattle Gym up on Google, the businesses that are going to show up at the top are either the ones who are running ads or who have organically grown to the top. Whereas this company is obviously on the second page, but we want to help them get to the next level and get onto that first page where they're going to really be able to grow their business, because so much traffic to any business comes from Google and Google Maps. So what we're going to do is we're going to click website traffic, and we're going to run a search campaign. So we click search, and then we're going to put the business website. So this is going to be the business website that it's going to take the customer to. So obviously we would want to use this company's website. So we copy that and paste it here and go continue. And so next we can title it whatever we want to title it, Seattle Strength. And then the ad can either appear in Google Search Network or Display Network. That's fine, we can leave that as both. And then we want to enter another location. So we're gonna target people who are actually living in Seattle, Washington, because we don't want people coming from all over the place, or we don't want it targeting people in other cities. We want to focus on Seattle, since as a gym membership, it's going to likely be people who live in Seattle or the surrounding areas. So we're going to go Seattle, Washington. And so we're going to go target. And so that's where we're going to focus on. And then we're going to do location options, and we're going to do people in your targeted locations, because we want people who actually live there. And then we're not going to exclude anyone. We're just going to focus on people in the Seattle area. And then we're going to do language English. And for audiences, we can actually set specific audiences based on their demographics. We can actually target it to people who have searched for how to lose weight or best gym. We can really target it so that we are getting the best customers for this client of ours. And we would basically want it for anyone who's interested in either working out or finding a new gym or losing weight. Then that's the people that we want to target this to. So we want to target it on people based on a specific demographic. And so that's where we can really target it here and pick exactly who we want in this audience. I'm not going to do that for this example, but it is something that you would do. And then you can also remarket to people who have already visited this gym's website but never actually signed up. So there's a lot that you can do with Google AdWords, and it's going to really help you to promote this business's business in order to grow your business, because they're going to want to pay you if they're getting a bunch more clients. And then we can set a budget. Let's just say we want to do $10 a day. And then we want to focus on conversions, and then we would go save and continue. And then we would actually create the ad, basically where we're going to actually put the title of the ad and the description of what the ad's going to actually look like. And then so in here we need to put the keywords. So this is what's suggested. This is where they're actually getting found, is from Personal Trainer Seattle. So let's go Personal Trainer Seattle, sure. And then let's go Seattle Gym, best Seattle Gym, Seattle Washington Gym. So basically you're just going to want to type in keywords that people would be typing that you would want them to find this gym from. So best gym in Seattle, and so then we'll go save and continue. And now we will actually put what the ad's going to look like in Google Maps. So basically what we're going to want to do is we're going to put the final URL. So this is the final URL. And the headline, the Seattle Strength and Performance. Okay. Seattle Strength performance. Okay, we're just going to do Seattle strength because Seattle strength and performance was going to be 32 characters, which is going to take it's going to be too long. Let's go Seattle strength gym and best gym in Seattle. And then it's going to take us there. And then we can put a description. Want to go to the best gym in Seattle. See us here. Something to that effect. And then basically this is how people are going to see the ad. And then if I saw this ad and I saw this is the best gym in Seattle, or let's say highest ranked gym in Seattle, then I'm going to be likely to click that and actually want to go to a place that's going to be highest ranked. So it definitely makes you want to click that, and that's what you want for these customers to be clicking on your client's page. So how does this relate to Google Maps? Well, it relates to Google Maps in the sense that this is where you're going to find your clients. And then, so once you find a client, so let's see. So what we're going to do is we're going to either phone them by contacting this number, or we're going to press the contact section of their page. And then we would have an email here. And then, so basically what I would do in this case is I would draft up an email that would say, hi there, I'm a Google Ads expert, and I would like to help your business rank higher on Google. And basically, I would like to run ads for your page so that you can get more clients into your business. And I would like to also offer you a free 1-week trial of this. So basically what you would do is you run an ad with a very low budget, say $5 to $10, and that would be kind of your advertising, your own advertising cost in order to get clients for your own business. So basically, then you would run the ad and see if they get any new clients. If they're happy with your service, then you can tell them your actual price and explain what you can do for them if they sign up, and how often you're going to be running these ads, how often you're going to be creating new ads, and how you're going to help them grow their business. And obviously, anyone who contacts you, you're going to want to know their credibility. So once you get a few different clients, then you can show them sort of a case study on how you've actually helped other businesses grow their clientele. And then at that point, you're going to actually have a client just from using Google Maps. So this is a great method to use if you're looking to just make some extra money and get paid every single day just from Google Maps. You're going to basically look for businesses that aren't ranking on the first page and help them to rank on the first page, and run it as a Google Ads agency. So this is something that anyone can do. It's really easy to learn Google AdWords, and I kind of give you a quick overview. And I'll be making a lot more in-depth video in the future on how to run Google Ads to these businesses' websites so that they can get more clients. And I hope this video helped you guys, and I hope that you guys will make money doing this method of using Google Maps. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more money-making opportunities.